Good morning, everyone. It is 15th of April 2026, and I woke up at 6:40 in the morning. I'm ready for gym, and since today is Wednesday, today is Akhada. Today only me and Ganesh Dada are gonna be there, probably, because the other two bhaiyas, they are gonna go somewhere else for Akhada. So yeah, and also today I'll have to go to college because today there are placement drive of two companies, SailPoint and Bajaj Finserv, Pfizer. So दोनों में मेरा सिलेक्शन हुआ है. So I'll quickly go. It is past 7. It must be 7:05 or 7:10. 7 बजे का टाइम था अखाड़े का, and I'm late of course. So I'll quickly hit the gym or अखाड़ा I might say, and I'll have to come quick. जल्दी से नहा के नाश्ता करके I'll have to go to college. Anyway, see you guys later. Frankly speaking, I really admire Ganesh Dada. Like, he's so consistent, he's so focused. A few days back, Papa was not there with me for gym, so I did not go to gym for 3 consecutive days. But look at Ganesh Dada, like, even though the other two members were not there, he was still doing akhada and stuff all by himself, and he was also training me. He's so supportive, भाई. Done with today's akhada. It was a nice session, genuinely. बहुत push किया आज. I'm totally tired. I just thinking about like going to college after this beautiful morning session and the 2 to 3 hours or more than 3 hours of stress which I'm gonna have in a few hours. ठीक है, चलो let's go home and नाश्ते के लिए क्या है देखना पड़ेगा. आई डोंट नो. आई जस्ट क्विकली हैव अ बाथ. मुझे जल्दी से नहा के आई हैव टू गो टू कॉलेज आल्सो. It is time for our breakfast, and we have the dry fruit milkshake, of course, and this is paneer paratha, like just a little bit of paneer crumbled and just some spices. That is it. Well, one paratha is there, and I just saw that there is half more. I think Papa did not eat it, so I'm gonna eat it because ड्राइव के लिए जाऊंगा. आई डोंट नो व्हेन विल आई बी बैक बिकॉज टू कंपनीज का ड्राइव है, सो इट माइट टेक टाइम. सो आई विल जस्ट हैव both of it, like one and half of it. So yeah, I'm pretty hungry and it is 8:30, 8:35 almost. I'll quickly have my breakfast and I'll have to check the time कितने बजे जाना है. चलो. मैं खाते खाते यूट्यूब देख रहा था एंड मेरे दोस्त का कॉल आया किधर है करके. दैट इज व्हेन आई रियलाइज्ड आई एम लेट एंड मैं जो भागा हूँ ना भाई. दैट्स इट. आई जस्ट केम बैक फ्रॉम कॉलेज एंड इट वाज ऑफुल, रियली ऑफुल. दो कंपनीज का आज ड्राइव था, सेल पॉइंट एंड बजाज का फाइजर. आई डोंट नो, आई जस्ट डोंट रिमेंबर द नेम. I got selected in two. I got shortlisted in both of the companies for first round, okay? And like from 2 days I was confused कि भाई दोनों का same day same time, then how would be it managed, right? पहले किसका होगा, कैसे होगा? We had no idea. There were no pre-instructions. Then when I went to the college for the first round, they were like separating. They were making sure that sale point people shit shit. I'm so tired actually. So they were making sure that sale point students would sit differently and Bajaj students would sit differently. So we thought that we have to choose between any one of these companies. Either you go for SalesPoint or you go for Bajaj. So Bajaj, जो भी उसका जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन था, that suited my resume, my profile, my tech stack. So I was tilted more towards Bajaj. Even my friends, they were like कि ठीक है, let's go for Bajaj because it is better than what the SalesPoint is offering. So हम बजाज के लिए गए एंड वो ना सेल्स पॉइंट वाले सारे बच्चों को बुला रहे थे. देवर लाइक कि सेल्स पॉइंट वाले जाओ. सो वी वर लाइक कि नहीं, बजाज के लिए हमें प्रेफरेंस देना है. सो वी वेंट फॉर बजाज. टेस्ट चालू हुआ. देयर वाज एन इंस्ट्रक्शन इन द टेस्ट दैट the students have to use their roll number. ठीक है, which roll number they did not specify. We thought PRN number रहेगा. I entered my PRN number, but it was not accepting because our PRN number is alphanumeric and the requirement was numeric only. So PRN number नहीं डाल पाया. Then I thought of my class roll number, वो डाला. उससे मैंने क्वेश्चंस एक बार सॉल्व किए. Then I had some time remaining. Then I went for the roll number which was given to me while I was marking the attendance. Roll number in the sense the count. So count का एज अ रोल नंबर मैंने डाला, उससे सॉल्व किया फिर से पूरा. I solved everything. What was it? I'll tell you. For the Bajaj round 1, it was API testing as a round 1. So basically we were given an API endpoint and we were supposed to do all the validations that you can do. We have to find all the test cases and edge cases that could break the API. So वो test था. Frankly speaking, in the initial 15 to 20 minutes when the email for the round 1 came, I was not sure क्या करना है. There was no instructions, legit no instructions prior to the round. मुझे आज मैं जब भी गया कॉलेज में एंड लाइक फॉर दी राउंड 1, तब आई केम टू नो कि API टेस्ट इन द सेंस दे विल बी मेकिंग अस वैलिडेट API पॉइंट्स एंड पॉइंट्स. सो अभी द थिंग इज कि नो मैटर हाउ गुड आई परफॉर्म्ड, ठीक है, वॉट दे आर गोना चेक इज लाइक रोल नंबर करस्पॉन्डिंग टू द आंसर्स. अभी रोल नंबर ही कुछ डाला नहीं है, अच्छे से डाला नहीं है, बिकॉज देयर वर नो इंस्ट्रक्शंस. वी आस्क्ड द इन्विजिलेटर्स एंड द TNP सेल मेंबर्स, दे वर ऑल्सो अनश्योर अबाउट इट. इट वॉज सो फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग, सो इरिटेटिंग. भाई पूरा दिन वेस्ट हो गया, ना ही सेल्स पॉइंट हुआ, ना ही अपना बजाज हुआ. सेल्स पॉइंट का कैसा था, all those students who were also selected for sales point, they were उनका ऐसा था कि पहले सेल्स पॉइंट का टेस्ट अटेम्प्ट करो, देन यू विल बी अलाउड टू सिट इन दी राउंड 2, लाइक राउंड 1 itself, but the round 1 would be repeated. So we were not instructed ऐसा कि ऐसा वैसा होने वाला है. We thought we only have to choose any one of those companies, but it backfired on us. दोनों कंपनीज गया, सेल्स पॉइंट गया क्योंकि उसके लिए बैठा ही नहीं, बिकॉज देयर वर नो इंस्ट्रक्शंस कि पहले सेल्स पॉइंट दो फिर तुमको बजाज का भी ऑप्शन मिलेगा. एंड बजाज गया बिकॉज रोल नंबर इश्यूज़. अब घर पे मैं कैसे बताऊँ, मेरे को ये समझ नहीं आ रहा है. घर वाले मेरे पे ऐसे लाइक यू नो दिल से इट्स योर मिस्टेक, व्हाई डिड नॉट यू लाइक पहले कंफर्म क्यों नहीं कर लिया. इट इज़ नॉट ओनली द केस विथ मी, ठीक है, देयर वर टेंस एंड हंड्रेड्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हु थॉट कि you have to choose between one of those company, and legit everybody messed up the roll number stuff. It is not only me, 4-5 guys, everybody, legit everybody. Anyways, I'm pretty hungry. It is 1:40 right now. I haven't had my lunch yet, so I'll quickly काय म्हणतात थोडं हातपाय तोंड धुवून घेईल, and then I'll quickly have my lunch. So it is almost 2 p.m. right now, and it's time for our lunch. So we have chapati, palak paneer, and a little bit of milkshake. Actually थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा रह गया था from the morning, so I'm just gonna drink it. Genuinely, it was so hot outside. I just came from college, right? It was genuinely so hot. Okay, I'm very hungry. Let's have a lunch. As usual, in the afternoon, nothing really much happened. Dad and Didi came home from work, and mom made dhokla. I was not gonna eat anything in the afternoon, like I had no plans. But actually, I was sleeping, and when I woke up, mom had already made dhokla. So yeah, I was I was pretty hungry too. So yeah, I ate dhokla. ज़्यादा नहीं खाया. It was less, and in the afternoon I did try to study, and generally I was so bored, so tired. Like not tired, I was just not in the mood. So I just wanted to go out somewhere. Guys, it is 7:10 right now, and I was very frustrated because आज का दिन genuinely it was not good at all. Of course, because of the placement drive and stuff. So I thought of going to the gym for cardio. थोड़ा सा I wanted to get relaxed and stuff. So I'm thinking to go to cardio. So I just got ready. I'm not telling these people that I'm going to cardio. I just told them that I'm going for a walk. क्योंकि जिम का नाम निकालेंगे तो they would be like नहीं अभी जिम क्यों जा रहा है and stuff. So there is no difference, right? If I walk in the society or I just walk on a treadmill, aka cardio. So yeah, I just told them I'll go for a walk, but I'll go in the gym just for 15-20 minutes at max. I'll come back within half an hour. So yeah, done with cardio. 20 मिनट का cardio किया, थोड़ा सा abs मारा, and going home right now. It is 7:50. I think I'm late. ये लोग सोचेंगे इतने देर किधर था. It is 9:30 right now, and it is time we do our dinner. Actually, late हो गया आज because Papa has a call, office call, and Mom and Didi they went outside. I don't know why. Where do they like? किधर गए थे? I don't know. But yeah, I was waiting for them and late हो गया, so I just made my own dinner. So it's salad, uh, गिरना जाए सिर्फ. Yeah, cucumber, then onion, half onion, two cucumber, and one tomato, and of course curd. So actually, what happened ना, uh, जिसमें कर्ड लगाया था, I opened that box, the tiffin, and I found out the water was completely separated. The curd was over fermented, and it was kind of hard. Hard in the sense you may imagine it like softest paneer. Like ऐसा पनीर को हाथ लगाते वो टूट जाता है ना, right? So that kind of curd it was. And I asked mom कि like, is it good? Is the curd good or is it rotten? So she was like कि like हमने taste वगैरह किया. It was not smelling bad. It was um, little bit sour, not acidic, and it was tasting like normal dahi curd. So mom was like, let's throw away the water and you can have the curd. So we threw away the water which was separated. And I was just curious, ki, is the curd good or what? So I chat GPT'd it, and chat GPT said ki the water is actually whey protein and less in calorie. And भाई I completely threw it away bro. मेरे को इतना बुरा लग रहा है अभी लाइक वो बोला कि जो वाटर है सॉरी जो कर्ड है it is thick, it has proteins comparatively less than the water, and it has more fats and it is more filling too. So मेरे को इतना बुरा लग रहा है कि भाई जो मेन चीज था द वे वाटर आई जस्ट completely threw it away bro. Like what the hell? Okay, I can't do anything right now. So I'll have the dinner right now. And mom, dad, and Didi they've made dal khichdi for themselves. So they're gonna eat it, and I'm gonna eat it. And yeah, also the shortlisting for Bajaj game. I'm not in that shortlisted uh, list. Unfortunate of me. रोल नंबर का सीन हो गया है एनीवेज चलो आई एम प्रीटी हंग्री एंड इट इज लेट टू सो या बाय बाय आफ्टर डिनर आई ट्राइड टू study a little. I did some coding and I also did Mitfani, and tomorrow I have a drive again CrowdStrike का आज ही आया उसका सो यार एक तो 7 बजे रखा है सुबह के लाइक 7:30 is the reporting. I believe I won't be able to do gym because it is so early in the morning. I don't know क्या सोच के रखा है. एक तो tomorrow it was supposed to be my leg day, and I don't know यार, like God has a problem with me doing legs, you know. Every single time whenever there is legs, something comes up. Either there is akhada. First, usually like पहिले काय व्हायचं ना, जब लेग्स डे रहता था अखाड़ा आ जाता था. दैट इज व्हाई आई चेंज्ड माय रूटीन. आई शिफ्टेड द लेग्स डे टू सम अदर डे. एंड नाउ आइदर लाइक अभी कल का देखो, कल क्राउड स्ट्राइक का आ गया. सो आई हैव टू गो देयर. आई हैव टू मिस लेग्स अगेन. So like for this week it only, I'll shift the leg day. I'll do it day after tomorrow. 7 बजे का मुझे जाना है. लाइक I'll wake up at 6:30. अलार्म लगा के रखा है. I'll try my best to get ready by 7:15 at least. 7:30 I'll reach there, and I don't know how long it will take for the drive. Yeah, that is it. This is it for today. Today was a bad day actually. I had high hopes, but everything messed up. Anyways, this is it for today. Bye bye. Good night.